So good morning, guys. This has been on my heart and I want to share this with you. If you're pondering, if you're thinking that, hey, I want to start a YouTube channel. You've seen other people build success, make money on YouTube. You've seen other people start a business that you say, hey, I want to start this and do this myself. You've seen other people transform their bodies, their minds, spiritually, physically, and become the best version of themselves. And you say, hey, tomorrow I'm going to wake up and do this for myself. But tomorrow comes and you say, tomorrow, the next day, I'll do it, but you've yet to take action. And this is because people ponder, people want to learn, people want to digest information before they actually can take action. And the last step of your decision is the action part. But instead of thinking, pondering, and then taking action, think about decision, take the action, do it, and then learn last. Let learning be the last step, because the only way that people become successful is by truly taking action. If you want that YouTube channel, if you want something that someone else has, the only difference in their achievement than yours is their ability to take action. So I'll show you guys this one little gap, this one bridge that really just keeps my mind thinking of how do people become successful? How do you become the 99 cent turn into the 1%? What are they doing? And I want you to think of it as a bridge. 99% of people are on this bridge, and they all want to cross that bridge to become the 1%. And on this bridge, there are different milestones, there are different goals that they've achieved, there are different waypoints, there are different strategies that they have to go out there and achieve. But the truth is the 99% and the 1% typically all know what to do and what is along that bridge. 99% of people say, hey, I need to save money, I need to invest money, I need to start a business, I need to grow a business. And 99% of people can have access to resources. But what are the 1% doing? The 1% know that, hey, I need to build a YouTube channel, I need to find a brand, that I want to start this business. But what makes them cross this bridge to become the 1%? It just comes down to action. Their willingness, their greatness to get their hands dirty, their ability to get laughed at, their ability to get shamed when, they're trying to cross this bridge to become the 1%. And then people say, hey, why did you become the 1%? When that day arrives, the answer is they took action. The answer is that they no longer wanted to sit there and ponder, wake up in the morning. The answer is that they got so uncomfortable in life. They understood the pain that they're experiencing in their life, that they were able to wake up, cross this bridge, and they knew that they only had one opportunity at this damn thing. You have one shot. What are you waiting for? What are you holding yourself back? And the last thing I want to share with you guys is that most people all know if someone else did it, you can do it as well. If someone else achieved the goal that you have on your mind, what separates them, you from them? And it's one thing. They took action. So guys, wake up today, wake up tomorrow, and start going and leading with action. Stop thinking, stop pondering, stop learning, stop doing the research, stop doing the homework. Yes, it's a safety mechanism, but it's holding you back from your true potential and your success in life. So stop holding yourself down and go out there and just take massive action. Start crossing that bridge. Start checkpointing things that you're achieving. Write 5 things down every morning that you need to achieve. Cross these bridges, cross these milestones, and you're going to help change your life and actually start achieving something. And lastly, guys, I started a YouTube channel. I started these small little businesses, and finally I took action, and this action has started to pay off in my life. So go out there. Last thing is, you can do it, and I love you guys. I hope you have the best morning ever. I hope you guys crush this Wednesday, and more importantly, use this as a milestone to go out there and start building and taking action in your life. Cheers.